tutorials. In this video you are going to learn what are different classes in Bootstrap button. This one is very important because most uh, probably you will be using buttons in the website, so this one is important because you will know that how you can change the color of the button, the size of the buttons, etc. So let's see in practical example. Here you can see in the last video you have seen how we can create the button here, right? Inside this there is a class called button, so let's do one thing. I will create here button and then button. I'll name it submit. So by default what happens here, if you refresh it, then by default Bootstrap provides here gray color. Okay, even you don't write anything, still it is working, you can see. But now if you put here class, so the first base class you will put here is btn. Okay, this is the primary and the first class btn. Right now putting space btn, there are actually different colors available for this. If you go to its official website and buttons, you can see this is primary, this is secondary, this is success. So there are different classes for this, there are different classes and colors. So if you write here btn primary, in that case it will show blue color. btn primary, refresh it and you can see it is now showing blue color. And if I write here success, that means green, so btn success, that means it will show you green color. Let's create another button with btn success. You can see this one is showing green color. So whatever color you need, you can write like this. And remember one more thing, it is not necessary that you will have to write button. You can also apply this in hyperlink. Here in this case you can see line number 28 that we have put here btn, btn primary and btlg. btlg means large button, bigger button. You can see this button is larger. Okay, and also disabled link. Simply if you want to put link, so you can see there are different btn light, btn dark, btn link, right? Success, danger, warning, info. This info is warning, this color, info lighter blue, then light, then dark, then link. So in combination with the color, you can also write different things like outline. There is no background in this initially, you can see. So what you need to write here, btn and then btn outline primary. You need to put this additional class along with the color. Okay, so this one is btn outline primary, secondary, success, danger. In short, if you don't want to display the background color in the beginning but on hover, in that case you will write here btn outline. Now let's see sizes. So we have already seen btn lg, that means larger, right? If you want to show big button, in that case you will write here btn, everything will be same, btn then btn primary. For this one is for color and this one is for size. This is base class, this one is for color and this one is for size. And if you want to show smaller button, in that case you will write here sm like this. And if you want to show the full screen button like this, in that case you will write here btn block, btn block, btn, btn primary for color and then btn lg and btn block with combination of these two, lg and btn block. So there are four classes actually, 1 2 3 and 4. So in combination with these four classes, you can create this kind of larger button. And the next one is active state, right? If you want to make it active, then only thing you need to write here, just write active class here, active. And also if you want to make the button disabled, in that case simply you need to write here disabled. That's it. Everything will be same, what just you need to write here disabled. So guys, that's it in this button class. Hope you understand and you will implement in your project. So stay connected. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.